Hi and welcome to a week in my life. This is a very hectic week because there's a lot going on campus and I also have tests and so much more, but I'll mostly be recording the evenings. Right now we're going for a football tournament and I'll update you as we go. So as you saw in the last vlog, Ira and I are managers for this football tournament. So today is the first day of that tournament. We're gonna go get our jerseys. So that's why I'm wearing this night suit t-shirt because I want to wear that jersey.
Yo! Time to win FSCL.
FSCL is the tournament's name.
Flame 711 me.
Also, I said I'm gonna vlog my week, but yeah, I'm just gonna repeat it again. It's just going to be the evenings because mornings usually go in trying to get up and make it to class. There's Flame Fest also this week. Got a snack before the match. Looks like it's Maggie endorsement. Before the football tournament, there's also a paddleboard tournament. Vikrant and Nalan are playing. Like they won the first set, now it's the second set, but we have to go for football practice now. The co-manager.
Hi guys, it's day one of FSCL.
This is our jersey. Ira got 2 and I got 11. Ira and I both our birthdays are 11th, so I thought she would also want 11.
But I like 2 because everyone likes 2. You know, it's like the favorite number, universally.
Our team's match is starting very soon.
And we're gonna win it. And we're gonna win it. Easy win.
We've only made this because of Sid and Angad. Sid is who?
The things we do.
Sid is
I
who?
don't know. I don't think your audience knows it yet.
Yeah, Ira's finally taken,
I was
guys.
so
All of the
against-
people only watching because Ira was single. Ira has a boyfriend now.
I was so against love the last time you guys saw me, and now I'm not.
She's made a
That's
team
true.
for
Yeah,
him.
made a team for
We are trophy wives. We sit and watch all of the football
Excuse me,
matches.
we're actually the managers. They're working for
Yeah.
us. So I have short hair now, guys.
Oh yeah. We will update you
Gotta
during
keep
the
it
match.
updated.
2, 1, fuck yeah!
They scored their first goal.
I was like, hey, and then finally fucking shot.
We just got done with our first match. We won 2-0. We have another match in a while. But I have Flame Fest practice because I'm participating in this event called Lip Sync, which is the most fun event. Flame Fest has like 10 cultural events, but I'm participating in only one because I'm making the after movie for the whole thing. I've reached practice, I think. I said I think because I didn't know where practice was, but it's here that I've reached. Done with Flame Fest practice. Now I'm going back to the match. We're done with all the matches and all the practices today. And we would like to believe that we've had a really good day because we won the first match 2-0 and the second match was against what's supposed to be the...
On paper, the best team in the tournament.
And we decided like we'll play only defensive, like we won't try to score, we just have to
we
defend.
saw them, they drew their first game, so it really didn't make sense for us to try to push for a win. Because even if we get a draw, we're on top of the table and you don't really need a win, right?
That. So basically, we drew the second match and let's go. Now we have 2 matches tomorrow and also practice tomorrow. The lip sync performance that I'm in is on Thursday and today's Monday. And today was the first time I went for practice. We're just going for dinner now. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. It's Tuesday. I'm going for my test. And I don't have my bag because it's with Angad, so I'm carrying all my things. And then Angad will meet me midway and I'll take my bag from him. Wish me luck. I'm done with my test and my classes. Now we're going for lunch.
Paneer.
There's paneer, a veg campus, that's all we look forward to. I remembered that I can't vlog this whole week. Today's Tuesday, I can vlog till tomorrow because I have to make the after movie for Flame Fest. Flame Fest starts on Thursday. I edit and shoot everything on my phone. There'll be too much content on my phone, so I'll start to lose all content and my storage will run out and all of that. So I'll basically be vlogging till tomorrow and then I'll just add some bits and pieces of Flame Fest so that you can see what it's like, but I don't think I'll be vlogging then. I'm looking so chomo. I'm going to the gym. I hit legs and I'm done with my workout and I just came outside. I just felt like this week and lately the last few weeks have just been so hectic. I've either just been on my phone or out or just social. Like I just haven't been alone at all. I didn't even go to the gym the last 3 days because I got my period and then I went today. The whole time in the gym I was so zoned out and all I could think of was just like I couldn't even listen to music. Like I was feeling so overstimulated. So then I just like turned off my music, finished my workout without music, nothing, just in silence. But right now I have 2 meetings, so let's go for that. The first meeting is for Lip Sync, the event I'm participating in. They're editing the audio for it because it's like 7-8 songs. I was free, so I thought I'd go. Then after that, there's a meeting for the Flame Fest after movie, which I'm super excited for.
Hi guys.
I'm done with both my meetings. I'm back in my room. I just had a shower and I'm wearing this jersey again because we have 2 more matches today. I think sitting for those 10 minutes like alone just in nature without my phone right after working out has genuinely recharged me so much. Like I feel so nice and calm and work on my vision board right now. So we're gonna go do that. And I've been delaying this for 2 weeks. I don't even know why. Like I literally added to my schedule and then I used to just not do it. But today is the day. I've gone to the gym after so long. Honestly, it was a pretty mid workout, but I'm glad I went because, like, as I said earlier, I just needed to like figure out why I'd just been feeling overstimulated all the time. I need to create a better setup. I think this is the setup. The better setup.
The girl them skill art.
I've decided to play some music. I'm obsessed with rain dance. My last reel and my post, both of them were to rain dance. I want to make a playlist with songs that are just like rain dance. For me, like that category would be like rain dance, ribs, Juno Love, but they're all very different songs. But you get the vibe. It's like so, I don't know how to explain it. Got ready. I've left my room. Our toughest match was yesterday. I think we spoke about it yesterday. Today is supposed to be chill. Like these teams were supposed to be chill, but they've been playing really well. Let's see how it goes. Good morning. It's Wednesday. Last night we won the first match, but then we lost the second match. The second match, like if that team would have won, they would have made it to semi-finals. If we would have won, we would have made it. But whatever. Moving on. I'm going for class. I am supposed to have class 11 to 1 and then a class 1 to 4. But the class that's 1 to 4, the professor is not well, so she's not coming. But she's given us work, so we have to go meet, do that work. I'll go to the gym. I had my classes and everything, but I was really exhausted, so I came back to my room and passed out, and I just woke up. It's 8 p.m. and I've been sleeping since 4. But I went for my classes and I went to the gym, but like I'm feeling productive, but I don't think I slept properly last night. But now we're vlogging the last evening for this vlog. I'm getting ready. We're going to Scary Run. Divine Naira behind it. Are. This is our shadow. We're going for dinner.
It's insane.
Oh yeah, we were just watching the tournament that we got out of yesterday, and the team we didn't want to qualify didn't qualify. So it's over.
Older than you,
Yeah, Super Robot Monkey Team Hyperforce Go. Have you seen?
Nandini, have you?
I don't know what you guys
Wait.
I'm literally a figment of your imagination.
Okay, that's it for this vlog. I'm sorry if it was too random, but I tried my best to like vlog consistently throughout those 3 days, and I think this is the most consistent I've been while I've tried to shoot a YouTube vlog, because before this, when I've tried to do a YouTube vlog over a few days or like even throughout just one day, I'm never that consistent. Like I have to delete all the videos by the end of the day because they're so random that you can't make sense of what happened. But I think this time I was better than before. Like there's always so much going on campus that I have to constantly like set reminders to vlog, because like you don't know what's happening. Like you know what's happening, but you don't know what's going to happen. My last month, like how I was in my first year, I was just going with the flow. I just want to like be in that zone again, just going with the flow and just enjoying whatever's going on and not planning too much. But while that being said, I will still try to vlog more because I want to remember as much of this as I can. Almost exactly 1 month to go. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!